I am coming on here to show you guys my Slashare package that I got. I am so excited about this. Literally, it came in such perfect time. It took like 2 to 3 days, and that's so fast. First of all, the packaging, cute little bag, and it says on here, slash the price, share the joy. So freaking cute. And it says, thank you for shopping with us. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or feedback. So this one came with 7 mesh laundry bags and 2 lint stick rollers. And let me tell you right now, I need these. Look how beautiful. Look at this stick. Come on, queen. Come on, Miss Thing. I'm so excited because I have pets, and girl, absolutely not. I cannot walk out of the house without using one of these before, especially if you wear a lot of black like me. Like, I'm literally wearing black pants right now, and I'm gonna need this in about 5 minutes when I get up off the floor. Yeah, it came with 2, so I'm very excited. I will be using both, and it has this cute little place to put your fingers. So cozy, so soft. So here are the mesh laundry bags. Look how cute already. Pink's my favorite color, so they got me right, seriously. Shout out Slashare for knowing me perfectly. Oh my God, they're so soft. Literally the cutest things. Come on. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? Look how cute. The zipper's pink. Oh my gosh. So this one's like thicker. We also have this one. They're all different sizes. And I'm a college student, and especially living in a college dorm, I need these. So if you've ever been to a college dorm, but these are gonna make it so much nicer. I'm so excited to use these. Thank you so much, Max, and everyone else at Slashare. I love you guys. I'm so excited. And guys, go get these products, literally. Like, every college student needs this. I'm serious. You don't wanna be a linty mess. So go out and get this stuff. Thank you so much. See ya.